There is nothing better than losing weight while you sleep with no effort, no diets, and actually with something that you take at home, maybe an infusion, a supplement, a natural ingredient that you have, natural remedy that you have that you can prepare at home, not only lose weight, but also reduce your cholesterol, your blood sugar, the fat you have on your body and within your cells and organs, and at the same time improve your health. What are the mixes? What are these preparations that can really boost your health and your immunity? That's what I'm going to reveal to you in today's video. There is nothing better than making almost no effort, costing you $0, using something that you prepare at home that can actually make you lose weight, can reduce your blood sugar, your cholesterol, improve circulation, memory loss, all these conditions that come with the favor of nature. Now, if you know exactly what to take every single day, you can practice this without a diet, obviously not eating a plentiful meal before going to bed, and reduce the risk of heart disease, diabetes, cholesterol, blood sugar, and the most important thing is losing weight with no effort. Now, before I continue, please make sure to subscribe to this channel. I've always been surprised the amount of people that watch my videos but are not yet subscribed. Maybe something that I do say in the future, something that is very, very interesting and important to your health could actually, with something you change and that you hear, save your life. So having said that, let's continue. Number 1, infusion of chamomile and lemon every night. Chamomile is one of those miracles of nature that not many people know exactly how to use. And when we mix this with lemon, we actually trigger something in the body, which is the acceleration of our metabolic process. What these two ingredients do is very simple. Chamomile itself relaxes the digestive tract, which reduces gas and abdominal bloating, hence helping you reduce the bloating on your stomach, reduce weight, because lemon is going to kick in just after chamomile relaxes your entire nerves for you to get that good metabolic rate and that good circadian rhythm that you need every night. What lemon does is slightly stimulate digestion and help you eliminate excess fluids. No effort, just the mix that you prepare at home, something hot you can take before going to bed. I just advise you not to put so much chamomile on this tea because it has a diuretic effect that I will talk to you in just a minute. Number 2, ginger tea with cinnamon. Cinnamon and tea are two of the most important ingredients that you can use for health overall, I would say. Reducing blood sugar, reducing cholesterol, reducing a fatty liver, and ultimately helping you reduce the fat accumulated in your body, losing weight. Now, what ginger does is it slightly speeds up digestion and prevents that sitting of heavy foods on your system. It accelerates your thyroid, which is a very important factor to you of burning fats and burning sugar or that metabolic rate increasing in your body. And cinnamon will help stabilize the sugar you have, reducing nighttime cravings, and both at the same time will help you reduce fat, fatty livers, cholesterol, triglycerides, blood sugar, because both of them have that effect in many different ways. Also, you can look for supplements that help you that have ginger, something like Antioxidant Pro, Metaglucose, Berbrain, Figurizer. All these can help you lose weight because they contain these ingredients, have proven time and time again to be very, very effective. Number 3, warm water with honey and lemon. Now, before you go to bed, obviously you can't be taking in too much of, let's say, a large meal. And what you need is something that can calm your craving for food at night. But if you use warm water with honey and lemon, you have an extra push to this intention. Honey itself can help you increase the hormone of serotonin. Serotonin is going to transform itself into melatonin, which is going to help you improve that sleep that you want at night. Very important to losing weight, by the way, that circadian rhythm. Melatonin helps greatly with this. Warm water will relax your stomach. And if you have a good metabolic rate, which you can achieve with lemon because it alkalizes your blood and improves the burning of fat and burning of sugar, this helps a great deal. Look for something that has always some type of lemon ingredient, maybe just a little bit of honey, ginger. All these ingredients really, really help at night. Number 4, a mint infusion. Mint is one of those herbs that not many people know the exact, let's say, usefulness when we take it every single day, especially at night before going to bed. Mint has a diuretic effect. And people many times will increase their weight or be overweight just because they have an excess of liquids in their body. They don't exercise, there's not enough movement, and obviously their kidneys are not functioning properly to get all these liquids out of the system. Hence, making this person, let's say, larger, right? Accumulating more liquids. The real thing about mint is it can help you relax your muscles, your nerves, reduce stress overall, and at the same time have a diuretic effect. This diuretic effect can help you go to the bathroom a lot. If you take it at night before going to bed, I must warn you, you are going to wake up many 2-3 times per night, but this is going to help you lose weight during the night and wake up in the morning with less of that liquid being retained. Look for something like berberine, metaglucose, metathyroid, apple-izer. All these supplements will help you also increase that weight loss. Something like figurizer or Garcinia Cambogia, which you can find at finelandvitamins.com. Number 5, plain and simple lemon water with magnesium. Taking a magnesium supplement at night can really help you rest. It can really help you relax your nerves, your function, increase that metabolic rate. If you're taking this with a warm lemon water, you have the same effect. Warm water will actually help you relax at night. That mixed with lemon will increase that alkalinity in your blood, which helps you reduce blood sugar, cholesterol, clean out the liver, especially if you're not eating something heavy at night. This helps a great deal, and if you know how to combine them, it really helps you lose weight overnight without any effort. Take a good magnesium supplement, something like Magneside, OxyClean, but make sure to take something that can alkalize that body of yours. Obviously, the alkalinity your blood has is extremely important, and lemon can help a great deal. Making it warm with lemon water even burn the fat of your liver, your digestive system, and much more. Don't forget to give this video a like button, don't forget to share, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.